Now, the beautiful part is that we are linking 3 stories in Ghana. Now, here the time, Nama Wadarma Mira. Number 1, Liverpool. Ebro mo your some best sign Fabinho no. Now Fabinho a second choice on their data. Yes. Now according to Michael Edwards and Command in the Edwards catch and say Akomia, he flew to Spain to go and speak to Thomas Partey.
Yes.
Needed him come deep.
I believe say and then Bema Pep have Peke Rodri because okay first season and Rodri was na man for so quiet na Partey on na go for Rodri. If you believe in say Liverpool ni Partey we.
Yeah. So Mira, Neko see and say Liverpool
SOMPA Sports.
Anamon. I'm picking the English. The 2 Ghanaian stories be seen. We looked at his statistics, my friend. Yeah, good. Any we looked at the statistics, and when we put it on our software, he was the most dominant defensive midfielder for our game in Europe. So I flew to speak to him in Spain. But Atletico Madrid were not ready to play ball.
Hey.
Number 1. I've not told you this before, but I'm sharing it with you for the first time. Where Michael Edwards. I seized Sule Muntari's passport and told him to sign a contract before I give it back to him. I was a young man.
Okay.
And this was my biggest test as sporting director. I needed to get it right or my entire career was going to collapse. Atta. You know what? The day after we won the FA Cup, I sold him. And I needed to do that at all costs because he had to save Portsmouth. And we also had to build his career. Mira, Ayasembe. Sule Muntari in the Portsmouth edges our FA Cup.
That is 2010 and 7.
Was CZ passport no. No, the new coin Inter Milan. He is a different person than the one you people know in the media. An angry, fiery, young, left-footed player. No, he's not. He's very calm, shy, and hardly talks. In fact, he is my favorite Ghanaian footballer. But today, it looks as if Kudus wants to compete with him. Kudus Asemonso. This is
that means it was no Liverpool bar. Say the answer link say Chelsea ne what to say other clubs ne be Liverpool mun ne Kudus no.
It could be.
Na say e best ambassador was no so Ghanaian players na.
Name Muntari is his favorite.
Yeah.
Quite of us we deal no. And Michael Edwards. Any Chenwa hey.
SOMPA Sports.
Unfortunately, I have been to Africa only once. Where Michael Edwards? It's only once that I've been here. And that was to pick Sadio Mane in South Africa. Well, since you're a Ghanaian, let me add, I regard Antoine Semenyo very highly. He's an intelligent footballer. Mira, and assembly hupa. I will introduce you and Sheriff to my friend, Sarah Rod. She used to work for Arsenal. She has an analytics company too, and she is running it with her husband. But her husband is picking a pivotal role. In fact, I love Ghanaian players. I would really love to see their data. Unfortunately, anytime, I am recommending players from South Africa and Latin America to MLS clubs and some clubs in Eastern Europe because they are using Sarah Rhodes' company. And Sarah asked me for opinion. It is shameful that not a single Ghanaian club is able to give you data on their players. I'm picking this again. We are Michael Edwards. Sarah Rhodes and the husband are running the company. We recommend players from Latin America and South Africa, sometimes Egypt, to MLS and Eastern European clubs currently. But it's a shame. Data is not available on a single Ghanaian player or club. Is there something we can do? Okay, speak to Sheriff.
SOMPA
I suggest that you two can think around finding a way to let us have access on data for Ghanaian players. 1 year should be a good time for you and Sheriff to work this out. And trust me, it will be a game changer. Michael Edwards. Into my imagine say me the Edwards ni email. And then the contact them as a text phone. Omo no mo share catapult ni bi.
Okay.
Say ebe ya me am concentrate ho. Say one papa ne nkasa. Sana enye say adwuma ni Ghana, adwuma wo Ghana. Na mum say wonni mo bi a akomia wonni adwuma ni bi nye.
Yeah.
And then my imagine say na nka in Liverpool nkwa but asie ho de no muntai mu de no. Fancy. Or penny pad your mark MLS no.
Ako Jiska.
But Ghanaian players need data from your league no.
Yes, a clubs nangasa need data.
Omu need data. Uko biso omu data where akomia a friend fancy Di Maria waje player of the match 6 times. Adi US kama VM for no mo dia mo obi no. Eno no mo de ko convince obi officer top player. Inti baby a obi ano ya re ho sem so man no. Ya bom ntai din kwan papa ifa so ne ye adwuma. Ya ka kudus ya ka semenyo. Onya Ghana fo a ope. Nenso mu ni data.